is that IPOB itself has disowned the declaration. IPOB has disowned the declaration. Reacting to the development, the Indigenous People of Biafra spokesperson, Ekpa, rejected the notion that the group was behind the conference where the United States of Biafra was declared. And Ekpa said that IPOB has no involvement in any conference, alleging that those people are criminals supporting illegal activities to destroy our land. There is no such thing as a declaration of Biafra from our side, he said. Continuing, he said, any claim that IPOB is hosting a conference is false. When IPOB decides to make such an important announcement, the whole world will know. Those making such statements are fake, Ekpa stated in a statement in respect of the declaration of the United States of Biafra. Now, the spokesperson of the movement for Actualization of Sovereign State of Biafra, Sunday Edison, however, approached it from a different perspective. He said that if IPOB succeed, if they succeeded in getting Biafra through such a declaration that MASSOB, Movement for the Actualization of Sovereign State of Biafra, will accept and rejoice with them. He, however, said that he do not think that it is going to be possible because Brittain will not support the freedom of Biafra. He went on to say that declaring independence in Finland doesn't mean we are free from the Nigerian government. We still use Nigerian currency and security agencies are still from Nigeria. So we are still under Nigeria's control. Anderson, the spokesperson of MASSOB, said in summation. In other words, the declaration of the state of Biafra, of United States of Biafra, by the Ekpa group, or Ekpa and his followers, is not supported by IPOB. Perhaps you can call it the mainstream IPOB, led by Nnamdi Kanu, who is detained by the Nigerian authorities. And MASSOB itself is a bit indifferent because it was saying that if they succeed, fine and good, we will be happy with what they have achieved. But they don't believe that it could be achieved because they believe that the Brittain is a stumbling block, that with Brittain, it will be impossible for Biafran Republic to be actualized. Interestingly, it was the same Brittain that Odua Sunday Igbo had gone to submit a letter of intention for the Yoruba nation to break away from Nigeria. Okay, but that's aside. So it shows you the fluidity of what is going on between the Simon Ekpa's group and Nnamdi Kanu's group, which is Nnamdi Kanu is supposed to be the mainstream, and they say they are not part of the declaration. Okay, now that begs another question: what does this portend to people of Southeast? How does this conflicting developments, what does it portend in terms of peace and security in the Southeast? As far as I can see it, this issue of Ekpa and detention of Ekpa and the detention of Nnamdi Kanu is an issue that happened at a time when Southeast leaders, especially the governors, have failed to address the grievances of the people of the region. And the federal government also have allowed things to deteriorate in the Southeast. Okay, like the other day, Senator Baribe was talking about the militarization of Southeast. that every small pole you see security agents everywhere. And these security agents have been accused by Amnesty International of carrying out extrajudicial killings. Of course, there are also other killings going on of killing of security agents, which is alleged to be done by ESN, according to security officials. But there had not been an independent investigation. I think what the Southeast should do is to work for an independent investigation to be held by the United Nations to find out those who are doing the killings in the Southeast. Because so that the international community could be able to find out at the center of the insecurity in the Southeast. Is it being perpetrated allegedly by security agents? Is it perpetrated by alleged IPOB military wing, as they said? But the same military wing is being, the mainstream IPOB say they don't know anything about it. Anything that has to do with Ekpa and everything, they say they are not part of it. So that's, to me, has to be the final solution to getting at the root of the violence in the Southeast. A United Nations supervised investigation on those behind the killings in the Southeast. But whatever happens, Ekpa and Nnamdi Kanu are two big characters from Southeast that will, in the end, determine whether Southeast is going to have peace one way or the other. For instance, there are those who believe that if Nnamdi Kanu is released in line with the United Nations Human Rights Order, Human Rights Council order that he should be released since 2022, that it will help to douse tension in the region, help to differentiate those who are into criminality and those who are agitating for separation, or what we call self-determination. I think that's the appropriate word. Because even the wife of late Dim Ormegwu, who is now Minister of State for Foreign Affairs, also said so, that Nnamdi Kanu's release is critical for peace in Southeast, because it will help to differentiate those who are agitators, who are asking for self-determination, and those who are using it for criminality. So it's really a tough time for the people of Southeast right now to know which way forward, because the political leaders in Southeast have not been able to do much. The governors have failed to do the needful in terms of the security of the country. Of course, the governors can claim that they are these chief security officers only a mouth, by the mouth. They don't have the power to give order to any of the service chiefs to do anything. Only the other time you had the governor of Enugu State saying that they are ready to supply evidence against Simon Ekpa. But meanwhile, there have been sacking of communities and killing of farmers by herdsmen, and they have not done anything to supply the federal government authority with the necessary evidence to rein in those killer herdsmen. So that's the trouble in Southeast. So the Southeast is really passing through a lot. And perhaps in the next video, I'm going to look at the economic impact of what is going on in the region over the since this Nnamdi Kanu's detention started. So that's where I have to stop this video. I don't want it already getting too long, but the summary of it is that Simon Ekpa's offense is not bailable. That has been confirmed. And his group has declared the United States of Biafra. But there are contentious issues because The mainstream IPOB said they are not part of it. So they will keep you posted of whatever development that comes up going forward. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you, and please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.